it all started when I came back to Milwaukee after living in New York, and I bought a very humble 1950 food truck. And I started selling tacos on First in Pittsburgh. And I started to meet really neat food entrepreneurs in our city. And we quickly realized there is a vibrant community of food entrepreneurs here.
Yeah.
How can we build a plaza that we can incubate them and help them grow?
We got to know Jesus and his family early on, and we both shared this real passion for food. And so we used to do was it like once a month, right?
Yeah.
Once a month we would get together, and Jesus, I would say, let's cook. You pick the menu, we'll go to the grocery store, and we would, Jesus would put on this fabulous meal. I'd help out as a helper.
Sous chef.
Sous chef.
Great sous
Not
chef.
even, or the chief dishwasher is maybe a better way to put it. And that just flourished. And Jesus, we had the real pleasure, the gift of being able to follow Jesus's journey through this love for food and being able to tell his story through food from the time he was young, in high school, through the CIA, and then when he was working in New York, and then ultimately coming back here.
Yeah. What do you do on a daily basis? Is this it? Is this where you are and making sure?
This is my primary work,
Yeah.
right? But most recently, I've been working on an app that supports hosts and event planners book food trucks and local musicians or venues.
Yeah.
So if you're a host or an event planner, you can check us out at Eventini.
Yeah. What is it?
Eventini.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like an event and a martini combined.
It's kind of perfect because people want these at their event.
Yes, and they
Yeah.
should. And so we're trying to simplify that booking process to support the food entrepreneurs themselves, but also helping the host find the food trucks.
That's smart.
Thank you.
Yeah. And is this all over or in our Milwaukee area?
Currently, it's in the Milwaukee area, but I'm hoping to scale in other markets.
Yeah.